Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to create trending album cover video using CapCut. So let's head over to TikTok first to see what we're talking about. So let's head over there. And if you search for album cover filter CapCut, and when you click on a video, let's click on it. As you can see, here's a video right here. And in a few seconds, there's an album cover that will appear. So in order to do that, we need to head over to our filter on TikTok. Click on this and click on this CapCut Shredder template. And once you're in there, just click on this use template in CapCut, and this will redirect us to CapCut. So click on use template and choose a video or photo that you want to use. So for me, I will choose this photos right here and one video. So click on preview, and as you can see right here, it has loaded into this. And when you see right here, it will already load into this right here, and you can have and choose up to 5 photos that you can use. So once you're done with everything, just click on export and then click on export without watermark, and then this will export our video. Let's just wait for it, and then it will automatically switch to TikTok. After it switched to TikTok, you can edit it from there, and you can share it also to your other social media platforms. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.